So for this example, I'm going to show the proving using either addition or double angle formula. So for 3a, okay, the complex side will be the one on fraction. And the numerator already suggests that you should be using addition formula. So I'll be starting from the left-hand side, and I will use the addition formula. Sine, cos, sine. And from here, okay, I'm going to make them share the same denominator. So I'm going to split out the subtraction. So you split them out. So as you split them out, you realize that there are some cancellation. Cosine B is cancelled. This is tangent A. Cosine A is cancelled. This is tangent B. So this one is quite easily proved by using an addition formula. Okay, so for part B, obviously the left-hand side is the more difficult one. So the left-hand side is the more difficult one. So, okay, I'm going to start from the right-hand side is the more difficult one. And there's a double angle here. And the double angle is the troublemaker. So some of you might think of making same denominator. You are not wrong if you want to make same denominator because it's a fraction minus a fraction. So the only way to combine is to make same denominator. But in this case, right, we are going to choose the correct cosine 2x formula so that we can remove the numerical value. Okay, so you might want to write down. Okay, one of them is this, another one of them is this. Okay, there are three formulas, but this will be the two that if you use correctly, it will just make the denominator simpler. So which one will I choose, right? Okay, I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to choose this part. Yeah, I'm going to choose this one because if I expand out the bracket, I will get a -1. And I will have 1 minus 1. So in the next one, I'm going to choose this one. So in this case, right, you will realize the denominator will be made simpler because you expand out. You got 1 minus 1. In this case, we directly cancel away already. So you can see there's a lot of cancellation because the numerical is being removed. So you just have to cancel carefully. Cancel carefully. You will actually get the cosecant minus secant. So you got to use the correct formula so that the numerical value here can be removed. So you got to stare at the formula to choose the correct one. Okay, so that is the proving part. Okay, so we also got another example to illustrate that sometimes we do have a mix with addition formula. Okay, so in this case, right, they gave you a tangent A, and you are asked to find tangent 2A and tangent 3A. So if you recall about the formula for tangent 2A, that is quite obvious. So you just have to write the formula and you can plug the fraction inside. And then you punch calculator. So this one is really quite direct. So most people get stuck with tangent 3A. So tangent 3A is an odd angle. So when you see an odd angle, you try to break it up. It will be a plus 2A. So you are using the addition formula. You are using the addition formula for tangent A plus B. So you got tangent A plus tangent 2A, 1 minus tangent A, and tangent 2A. So all these, you already gotten the fraction. This is a half. This part is a 4/3. So then you just punch calculator. So for in summary, right, if you see an odd angle, you try to break using addition formula. If you see even angle, usually it should be double angle. Okay, so the last example, okay, is the one that you can be trying. Okay, then I will be emphasizing on sine 4x. Okay, so I'm gonna let you try these two. Okay, I will be emphasizing on the last one. So again, here we're given tangent x equal to -2, and then this is in the second quadrant. So I'm gonna draw first. So it's the same idea, it's always drawing. And after the drawing, right, I should always come up with my ratio first. Okay, I will do my Pythagoras. So I will get my sine x also. My sine x should be a positive value because that's a second quadrant. So it should be O over H. My cosine should be a negative value, second quadrant. So tangent is already a negative value. Okay, so go ahead and try to find your cos 2x. You can choose whichever formula you like. Okay, tangent shouldn't be an issue as well. It's just putting in. So you give it a try. So the issue will be the sine 4x. So what will be the formula for sine 4x? So remember I said about double up. So you must be able to write out the double up yourself. And this can be used for this part. So the only thing missing is I do not have my sine 2x first. So don't try to do everything at one shot. I will suggest you do it one by one. So I will do my sine 2x first. After I get my sine 2x, then I will get my sine 4x. So this will be the one that I just calculated. And this will be the one that I found in the first part. And then you punch calculator. Okay, so this one you must be able to write out the sine 4x yourself based on the given formula. So you must be able to understand how the double angle formula works.